Yo, back with another video, man. Check this out, man. This video is different, way different. You know what I'm saying? Most people won't even post it because it's really a mistake on my end. But hey, I want y'all to know what happens and what goes on. You know, everything ain't perfect. So I like to be real with things. You know what I'm saying? So check this out. I went to do a roof about a week ago. Last week I went to do a roof. And what ended up happening is that I didn't put a heavy enough spray on there. I put like a 6% when I should have been up a little bit more because under the tree was real black. You know what I'm saying? So usually when I come home and I'm done doing my what I do is I come home and I rewatch all the videos because I post the videos on YouTube. So when I looked at this one, I'm like, oh nah. So right when I looked at it, I'm like, you know what, man? The next day I called the customer. I'm like, hey, let me know under that tree if it don't look right, you know, because it's going to rain the next day. When that rain hit, it don't look right, which I had to figure it. I had a thought it wouldn't. If it don't look right, just give me a call and I'll come in, you know, do what I got to do. So lo and behold, she gave me a call, said, yeah, it didn't come it brightened up some, but it ain't bright as it should be. So I was like, all right, no problem. So I went over there and I resprayed it. Now, let me tell you something. I'm the type, man, look, if I don't like it, man, I ain't gonna let it go, man. I'm not that one that, man, I can't see it from my house, man. I'm not that type, man. I'm a fair and honest guy, man. If it ain't how it's supposed to be, if I don't want it at my house, man, I ain't gonna do it. That's why I gave her a phone call, man, and I let her know, hey, look, if it ain't how it's supposed to, just let me know and I'll come back. You know what I mean? Things happen. So this is the video, man. I ain't got no music on there. I just let it play. That way y'all can learn too, because you can learn off the spray pattern too, man. If you look how I did the spray pattern, I'm not going to use that wand no more. I'm going to use my orange gun. My orange gun would have sprayed out a whole lot more even, man. I don't know why I used that thing, but you'll see the spray patterns wasn't even. And then I moved to this side of the roof. You know what I'm saying? And you'll see what I'm talking about, man. This is a really good video to learn from, man. You can put it in your school, show your students, man. You know what I'm saying? So, yeah, let's get into it. Here it go. Yo. Sorry for the noise, but yo, this tour, man, I'm back with another video, man. Look, we got this roof we got to do today. Check it out. Yeah, we got a roof we got today, man, and we got to clean the roof. We ain't got to do nothing else over here, man. So how y'all do it, man? Got the water in the grass over here. Getting everything watered down over here, man, before we start this roof. So let's check out and see what we got on this roof real quick. Looks pretty bad, man. It's gonna be a good one. It's gonna be a real good one, baby. Real good one, baby. There you go. Here go the roof. That's what we got. Every time you have those trees right there, man, you're gonna get that right there. Roof black in that spot. Yeah. Look at all of this. Beautiful backyard, man. I would love to chill in here, man. I've been doing some nice backyard. Yeah. All this, they don't want me to touch that roof over there or that one. But we're gonna get all of that. So yeah, man. Let me start with the water guy, man. We're gonna water this thing down, man. And yeah, let me get back at you.
Slide up and change the color?
See how it's changing color?
Oh yeah, I already see that. I see it over there. I want to spray the water down. So that's good. So far. Yeah. Just be careful. That pipe come all the way out? Yeah, when you get here, just start spraying on like that. You here? Yeah.
All right, y'all. So yeah, we was able to get this roof done, man. This was a bad one. Check it out. See? Got it back done, man. It looks a whole lot better now. You see this on the roof? This is gonna come off when it rains and everything. We hit it twice. So it just comes from this tree right here. This tree, every time we get these roofs, we have that problem. But check it out what we got. Man, it's totally different from when we first came here. See? All of this. Yeah, this was a bad one. Oh yeah. We didn't hit. There was that color right there. The whole roof was that color. Yeah, so I'm gonna see you when we get home, man. Yo, man, check this out, man. That roof that y'all see, man, I got a callback on it. I knew I was gonna get a callback on it. That's why I didn't post it or nothing, man. But we came back, man. We was able to get it done, man. So this how it looks now, man. Now that's a whole lot better than what we had, man. You know what I mean? It was mainly this part right here under this tree. Everything else was pretty much good. Everything else came out good. It's pretty much just this part right here, man. So yeah, man, y'all got called back, man. Let me know, man, because you know I didn't put enough chemicals on this thing, obviously, but yeah. So just letting y'all know that I came back, man. I got it right. I did get a call back, so it happens to all us pressure washers, man. You're gonna get a call back. Just thank God it wasn't a call back for I killed bushes or something. You know what I mean? So yeah, we done wrap that up, man. We out of there, man. Yo. We back, man. Look, man, we just finished this roof, man. This was a dirty one, man. It was a bad one, man. I got the customer here with me, man. She loves the work, man. It's the first one. She wants to tell you all how her experience was. How was it?
It was great. They came in and they just looked at it and said, we can make it look beautiful. And I was a little bit hesitant, but I'll tell you what, it is amazing. The job they did is amazing. It looks like a brand new roof.
What color was it when I came?
It was black.
It was black.
And now it's back to the tan that it was.
Oh, yeah. See, there you have it, man. We appreciate you, Pam. Thanks so much for the
no problem. We love you being here to take care of us.
I thank you so much. Yeah, man, that's Pam, man. We got her we did the job across the street. I don't know if you all remember this one across the street. Remember, we did that roof and we also did the patio. We got that one back looking new, and it still looks new. I might take you all over there for a walk, or we can check it out. Yo, yeah, now there you have it, man. Y'all see that? So it ain't like it's something wrong. Just ain't put enough chemicals. It ain't nothing bad. I mean, but you know what I'm saying? A lot of things could have been done better on that video, and I'm sure y'all could see it. And that's why I didn't speed it up nothing. I left it like that, man, so y'all can learn from it. And, you know, we all learn from it. You know, that's why this is called Tori's Power Wash Journey, not Tori's Perfect Power Wash Journey, because I'm not perfect, and I'm showing you. I'm not scared to show you, man. You can say what you want to say, whatever it is, you know what I mean? But I'm showing you that, look, I ain't put enough chemicals on the roof, and I should have went a little bit heavier, man. So next time, I'm going to go heavier, man, you know, because when I came home and I seen the video, that's why I didn't post it. When I see the video, I'm like, man, nah, man. You know, I called the customer right away, man. One thing about it, man, is take accountability, man. You know what I'm saying? If you feel like you ain't did it, which you could, you feel you could have did better, man, just, you know, try to make it better. Because one thing about me, man, I'm not the guy that, I can't see it from my house. You know, if I feel I didn't do it good enough, then I ain't gonna let it pass, man. I gotta make sure it's good for my view. You know what I'm saying? So I you know, even if the customer say it's good, and I had it like that. They say, no, it's good. I wanted to make it better, and I have made it better. You know what I mean? It's just who I am, man. But yeah, you see that, man? That was a mistake. It happens, man. It happens, man. And if it happens, man, just go and correct it, man. And just go and correct it, man. Just go and correct it. No need to sit there and be like, oh, la, 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 give me more money. Just go and correct it, because you should have did the job right in the first place. Plain and simple. If you do it right in the first place, you won't have to go back. So, yeah, with that being said, man, thank y'all for watching, man. Please, man, like, comment, subscribe, man. Hey, man, y'all really motivating me, man. I'm getting good comments in there, man. It's really moving me, man. Really keeping me going, man. So, We're gonna keep this thing going, all right? So yo.